How do you write October in calligraphy?
We are going to show you 8 ways. I'm Jillian, and I'll show you faux calligraphy, brush pen calligraphy, bounce lettering, and iPad calligraphy.
And I am Jordan, and I'll show you how to use a pointed pen to write basic copperplate calligraphy and flourished copperplate calligraphy. I'll also show you Spencerian as well as flourished Spencerian. So let's get started.
I'm starting by writing the word with a regular black pen in monoline script. Then, after I finish the word, I'm going to go back in with a different color and add downstrokes to make it into faux calligraphy. I'm using a brush pen now to write the word October in the same style that I just did for faux calligraphy, but instead of adding the shades manually with a new color pen, I can just achieve those thick strokes by pressing harder on the brush pen, and then the thin strokes use less pressure. Now I'm going to break some of the rules that I just established in the previous 2 words. In bounce lettering, I'm going to take certain pieces of the word and dip them below the baseline, and then also add some more open loops and curves in my letters. Here is how you can write October on an iPad. This is done with our free brush that's available on our website.
I'm going to show you how to write October with a pointed pen in the copperplate calligraphy style. So all of the letter forms that I'm going to show you in this version of the word are just the basic copperplate letter forms. Now we're going to make our copperplate more fancy by adding some flourishes. So we're going to add a horizontal oval on our capital O, and then we're going to write all the letters in their basic form, and we'll add some more flourishes at the end. Next up is Spencerian script with a pointed pen, and Spencerian is very delicate and doesn't have quite as much shading as copperplate. And the last style we're going to show you for October is how to flourish your Spencerian. So we're also going to flourish the capital O like we did in Copperplate, and then we'll add another flourish on the end. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments which style was your favorite, and also make sure to check the description because we have lots of free resources to learn all of these calligraphy styles, including a link to a blog post which shows you pictures of the styles that we taught you today, so that's going to be a great reference. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more of our content, and thanks again for watching.